First is to launch your Google Chrome web browser. Visit classroom.google.com and log in if you are not logged in automatically. You can see the web link here. Once you log in successfully, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Now let's create our first class. Click on Create Class. Now it says using Classroom at a school/university with students. If so, your school must sign up for Google Workspace for Education account before you can use Classroom. But that's not what I want to use here. I want to use it for individual teaching. So check this box if that is what you want to do too. And the box reads, I have read and understand the above notice, and I'm not using Classroom at a school/university with students. So click on Continue. On this page, give it a name. So let's call this Basic Tech. Okay, let's change the name to Basic Excel Class. All right. This is on the assumption that I want to use it to teach my students on how to use Excel. If you want to add section, add subject, and add room. Okay, let's call this room 2. Okay. And once you're done filling all these, but this is the most basic, click on Create. So once this class is created, you can customize it the way you want it. And look at the class code. So if somebody wants to join this class, he's going to use this class code to join it. It's as simple as that. If this content helps, consider subscribing. You can check what I have on the screen here. It's one of the products I sell on my online store. So you can click and get to the store and make a purchase. Check some other products I have there and buy. It's a way of supporting this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.